When the spices hit the air, you know it's time. Lady B in the kitchen, flavor so divine. From Niger to India, she's the queen. Every dish she makes got that magic within. If you know Lady B, what's in you gain? Her recipe's fire, no need to explain. Authentic chef, cooking with love. Lady B kitchen, the best cooking channel. Every dish she touch turns to gold like a candle. Delicious meals, always on repeat. Her food's so good, make you dance to the beat. Spoons clinking, pots singing. In Lady B's kitchen, the flavors keep winning. Every recipe simple and unique. From Nigeria to India, she's the best. Lady B's kitchen, better than the rest. Cooking with passion, cooking with pride. Lady B kitchen, always cooking yummy, yummy meals.
Finally.
All the sugar they see inside Facebook, I don't know what you can see. Is here.
How are you?
My brother is here.
Hey, how are you, long time? Manu?
Say hi to my people.
Yeah, how are you?
We are fine.
Hello.
All right. My brother come to see us. I'm so excited. Like I have everybody today. My brother is here. Uncle. Greet your big uncle. Uncle from our man house. Uncle from our man house. Greet them.
How's it fine? Don't greet uncle.
Don't mind
How you
him.
will follow?
Don't mind him. Oh, I go so. Don't mind him. Well, I don't want to greet uncle. He's running. Anyway, this one is my brother from my mother's side. Okay, Kumishiki was there.
That's my
brother from my mother's side. Okay, I'm a senior brother.
You look alike.
Thank you for coming. I appreciate it. You make it. These ones are my Ibaki people. Oh yeah, on Ibaki. Then you can hear them Ibaki. Oh yeah, on Ibaki. I'm coming to any meeting Ibaki. Friend.
Friend of mine.
I was going to go to where because I'm the neighbor. I don't know how to I know the Chicago like say. They miss him. They miss her with him. You know your husband, yeah. Nice one.